Whop content clipping tutorial, Whop content rewards clipping tutorial. If you're using Whop and want to get more out of your community, increase member engagement, and turn simple content into reward-based systems, then this video is exactly for you. Today, I'm going to be showing you the biggest opportunity of 2025. It's called content rewards, and you're seeing this everywhere right now. People like Iman Ghazi and a whole lot more are discussing this, and it's one of the biggest and most greatest upcoming things in today's world. So, we're going to be talking about it in great depth and detail. And do make sure to fully watch this video till the end so you can get the correct idea of what you're going to want to do. Now, I want to break down exactly how you can tap into this gold mine and start generating serious income online. So, if you want to get into this, all the resources in this video that you're going to need are going to be linked down in the description below. So, do make sure to check that out. Now, number one, what is content rewards? All right, so before I show you what content rewards are, let's quickly cover what they actually do. So, content rewards are programs that get where you get paid to create or repurpose content about different creators. Okay. It's the best part is that you get paid based on views, typically around $1 per thousand views. This makes it incredibly easy. You don't need a following, you don't need to show your face. You don't even need any special equipment. All you need is the ability to spot what's working and package it effectively. So, strategy number one is going to be clipping, the easy entry point, right? Because the first strategy I want to show you, which is called clipping, is by far the easiest way to get started with content reward programs. So, here's how it's going to work. You take content from creators that have content reward programs. You're going to grab their best moments, enhance them with some simple editing, and repost them. That's basically about it. So as you can see here, we have content rewards. Okay, they have a whole content reward program. So let's say I want to go into atomic golf clipping. Now here, it says clip for atomic golf and earn $2 per thousand views. So what you do is you join their center. Okay, you add in your phone number, and once you join it, what's going to happen is you're going to basically clip their images or their videos and you're going to paste it onto your social media. And what that does is it generates, around $1 or $2 per thousand views. And the creator gets more exposure for their business and you get paid right away. It's crazy. It's a complete win win, right? And what I love about clipping is that literally anyone can do it. As long as you can cut videos, add some music, and use AI to generate captions, you're in business. Like with tools like CapCut, people are really doing this entirely from their phones as well, which is crazy. And I don't think this is some small opportunity, right? The top clippers right now are making around 10,000, 20,000, and even $30,000 per month, which is life-changing money for most people. And they're doing it without even showing their faces on camera. So obviously, if you ask me, someone making $10,000 a month, from what I've seen, it comes down to three different skills. First, great clippers have an eye for opportunity. They're constantly searching for good clipping rewards. Okay, you can go ahead and get all of these rewards over here where you can see which segment will resonate with viewers online. Secondly, they master what's called retention editing. This means they ruthlessly cut out anything boring or unnecessary. They keep the fast pace going, tell a compelling story, and add visuals that match what the creator is actually saying. So if the creator mentions on a boat, they'll add a picture of them on a yacht to keep viewers engaged. Thirdly, they optimize every element for maximum engagement. They choose background music that fits the tone perfectly, and they place captions strategically. So here's a pro tip. Always place captions right below the creator's mouth because that's where our eyes naturally look when you're listening to someone speak, right? And the market for clipping is still wide open right now. Okay, if you go to whop.com, come over to explore and go over to the content rewards tab, you'll see dozens and dozens of content rewards here, and most of them give you proper analytics as well. So we can see that Patrick Wheeland is a person that gives you around $1.25 per thousand views. Then there's Ambro, who gives $3 per thousand views. And you can see that this person has paid out around $119,000 because they've gotten around 34 million views on their platforms like Insta, TikTok, and even YouTube. And obviously, if you want to get into clipping, they have the certain type over here. So some are UGC. We don't want to go with that. We want to go with clipping. Okay, that is what we're actually here for. And, making these viral TikToks or clips is again pretty easy. All you're going to do is you're going to go over to any, reward system. Over here, you're going to click on join. Once you click on join, it takes you to their Discord or some, necessary forum that they've created. And once you go to their Discord, what's going to happen is they're going to give you proper areas. So here it says sign up before the price raises. Okay. So what you do is you sign up with their community. You click on join here. And what you do is you simply visit whatever site they take you to. Now, there is a thing that to do clipping, it's not totally free. You do need to make sure to get their membership to start their clipping process. But once you do that, obviously, clipping will earn you a lot of money. But again, it's not necessary that you want to go with this, okay? So once we're over here, it says $30 price for any new editor who posts for 30 days and follows guidelines. So what you do is you basically go to submit and add in all the things that you've added. So, upload the reels you've created, add in your submission details. And obviously, what that does is it gives you a good idea of how you're supposed to keep this thing going. So, this is really wide open. The supply and demand gap creates a massive opportunity here for you to start today. And obviously, go over to Discover, earn money online, and the smartest approach is to be one of the first clippers for growing creators. So, look at what happened with Andrew Tate. The first people who started clipping his content literally made millions. Okay, that is true. But once thousands of people heard about the opportunity and jumped in, the market got saturated, which means less money was involved. New clips became harder to find, and more people started making less money. That's why you need to constantly be searching for new content or programs from creators that most people are overlooking. It's like mining for gold, right? The smart miners aren't going where everyone else is digging. They're finding untapped territories. The best clippers I know are constantly monitoring the explore page on looking for new opportunities the moment they appear. Now, this proactive approach is what separates people from making a few $100s per month or making tens of thousands of dollars every single month. Now, strategy number two would be again UGC content rewards, higher value, higher returns. So while clipping is a great place to start, if you want to level up your game and your earnings, you should look at the second strategy that you can also categorize over here. So you can go over to UGC, and the key difference is instead of repurposing existing content, you're creating original content for brands and brands that have way more money to spend, which means they typically pay around $3 or even more per thousand views. That's three times what you make clipping. Now, there are several different ways you can create UGC content. You can shoot a video on your phone talking about a brand. For example, if Chipotle had a UGC program, you can make a video inside Chipotle eating a burrito and share your genuine experience. Whop themselves pay 3.5 CPM if you make a video talking about how to make money on their platform, kind of like what I'm doing right now in this video. People with their UGC Contours program are making thousands every single week just by creating simple videos about their services. And the beauty of UGC is you don't even have to show your face if you don't want to. It can be completely faceless content by recording your screen and using visual cues to point out different information. Some people are even using AI to generate portions of their videos, and as long as your content meets the brand's requirement, you get paid based on performance. Now, what makes UGC content rewards so powerful is they solve a major problem for brands. Brands need operators for organic content. They need creators for it. And every brand business knows they need organic social content, but most don't have the internal sources. So we have all of these people over here. Let's say I want to go over to Hosting or Horizon. Now, what they usually do is they hire influencers. Now, influencers are high price range, hard to work with, and few of quality. But with UGC content rewards, brands can tap into a limited pool and unlimited pool of creators on actual results. And the safer approach is getting, people like you to use UGC content and they can earn money without selling. You do it to drive direct sales to earn money with big brands. You get advertising budgets to brand awareness. That's $800 billion globally. They're paying for visibility, not for immediate conversion. And practically, there's no entry barrier in it. There's no application process or waiting period. You simply create content, submit it through platforms and get paid based on performance. And if your video gets a million views, that's $3,000 in your pocket potentially from a single day's work. And this isn't theoretical. It's happening right now where a creator who started a brand new Instagram account focused exclusively on faceless UC and he earned over $5,000. That's verifiable results as well. So think about it. This person went from 0 to $5,000 in 2 weeks with a brand new account. That's absolutely incredible. And it's one of the greatest things that you can actually bring into a software like this. And obviously, I would definitely suggest users like yourself to use this method. Okay. And the UGC method is really helpful. It truly helps you to get the proper yield outcome that you want. Okay. And it's a great way to make money as one person's business. But what if you took it to the next level? What if instead of doing all the work yourself, you built a team of 10 people creating content for brands for you? Here's how it works. You find talented clippers or UGC creators and add them into your group chat and manage them. You partner directly with brands, create their content rewards program, and manage all of their budgets. In exchange for their service, you charge a monthly retainer of $3,000, even $5,000 per month, plus 5 to 5% of the brand is paying out to creators. This is where the real money is actually made, because most major brands are extremely busy running their business, so they don't really want to get into the marketing bit. Like, let's say we have AutoDS. Now AutoDS is saying they're going to pay you out around $14,000, and obviously it's on how much views it earns. So the platforms are Instagram, TikTok, and it is UGC. But I would say go with brands. Don't go with brands that a lot of people are using. Like Boom Boom, a lot of people are using it because it already has 780,000 views. What you do is you choose a brand or a creator that does not have such a huge payout, but also something that will get you good working. So let's say we have this over here, Tick Filter. Now, Tick Filter is easy shorts videos. Now, this person is going to pay us around $3 per thousand views and a $10 bonus, which is pretty incredible. And it says it's the best investment you will ever make. Sell the trend. So what you do is you sell this tick filter trend and you show people how to basically add it for yourself. And once they do that, per thousand views, getting $3, leading to 10,000 views into $30. And obviously, if you get even more, 100,000 views is $300, and a million views is $3,000. Pretty incredible, pretty cool stuff, right? And obviously, getting a million views is not easy. It is pretty difficult. So do not get demotivated if you're not getting views. You're probably doing something wrong with the videos. Just keep your videos extremely engaging with your editor. And again, a great method to make viral looks. Okay. And obviously, to get viral on Instagram, what you just need to do is use the right audios, use the right timing, and use the right algorithm. And obviously, doing all of this will lead you to earning a lot of money. And Whop does it for you. That's the best part about it. So do go ahead and sign yourself up with one of these courses or platforms, and you should be good to go. And just like this, you can also go ahead and create your very own WAP. A big part of success here is positioning. You want your community to view these clips not just as replays or scraps, but as unlockable value. And the best part is how you label and present these clips. So, using titles like Unlock the Strategy Breakdown, Bonus Mindset Hack, or VIP Coaching Moment, depending on whatever course you're selling, makes them feel exclusive like Easter eggs within your platform. When users feel like they're collecting value, they're more likely to stay, engage, and even upgrade their membership tier. Now, the great thing is that all of this integrates naturally into the user flow. When members log in, they'll see what clips are available, what clips are locked, and what actions they need to take to unlock more. You can even use announcements to draw attention to a new reward that's just been added, building excitement and engagement in real time. So, if I were to summarize it, WAP content clipping and reward system is an absolute game changer. And if you're serious about monetizing engagement and building long term community loyalty, this is for you. It allows you to not only slice your best content into digestible, rewardable assets that motivate user behavior and encourage deeper working in your social media, but you can also make it trackable, automated, and scalable. So do come over to Whop right now, go to the content reward section and work out. So if you've been posting value in your group and sharing knowledge through videos or posts, stop letting that content go to waste. Start clipping it, start rewarding it, and start turning passive views into active conversions. Whop gives you the tools, now it's going to be your move. So that is pretty much all there is for this video when it comes to Whop content rewards and content clipping and a lot more. So if you enjoyed this video, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want the resources in this video, do make sure to check the link down in the description below. And that is going to be all from me for this video. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.